Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
This encounter has 3 phases triggered at 75%, 50%, and 25% health. Each phase changes attack patterns and adds new hazards. Learn the basic telegraphs early to conserve stamina and react faster. The boss uses a long book slam that reaches about 5 meters horizontally and covers a cone. You should maintain medium range and bait that slam to dodge sideways. Only way mode permits a single revival per run, and it has a 60-second cooldown. Bait the book slam, then move in to punish with 2 quick combos within a 10-second window. Time your heavy guard to absorb horizontal arcs, and then counterattack immediately. Use light dodge timing to gain roughly 3 seconds of invulnerability during spin attacks. Keep your distance when the boss summons spectral pages across the arena floor. Manage stamina and maintain at least 30% to secure a safe dodge or an emergency parry. Coordinate revivals only when you have healed above 50% health. Equip gear that grants roughly 25% book resistance to reduce spectral damage and stagger chance. After Phase 2, focus attacks on the spine location to stagger the boss within 4 successful hits. Use movement skills to avoid page traps and then close the gap during recovery windows. Prioritize healing items when you drop below 30% to avoid forced revivals. Defeating Book of the End rewards a unique relic and about 15,000 experience for your party.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.